The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.
G'day everybody, welcome to the Trader Cobb Crypto Show. Hope you're having a good start to your day. Looking at the markets down 5% up to 10 or 11 across our top 10 today. More selling overnight or more selling through the day, depending on where you are in the world, continues, and it looks set to continue from my point of view. I look at Bitcoin right now, and it's just broken through to some new lows, and I'm talking about new lows in the trend. The old low was a low of 37.85. It's now broken down through there, and we're starting to see some nice cyclicity on this trend when you look at the 2 hour, the 4 hour, the 8 hour, and 12 hour. Which does look to me quite nice for continued downside. We do have convergence of the indicators. We have a lot of signs there that Bitcoin could continue to grind out lower. It might not tank, it might just grind as it is at the moment, still putting in some fairly decent moves. We're seeing a lot of momentum to that downside across the top 10. We do have a little bit of support coming up around the 36.83 level. Wouldn't be surprised to see that tested, touched, broken today. They're the outcomes, really. I just don't see anything bullish right now. There's really nothing in this market right now that would suggest, technically I'm speaking, you know, I'm not talking about fundamentally, I'm talking technically speaking, that would suggest that this may move higher. I just don't see it. Right now, I do not see this market looking anything but bearish, and that's okay. You know, I'm an investor for the long term, and for the short term, I'm a trader. So, you know, when it's got direction, I've got opportunities, and that was the same as today. I found plenty of good options today. Some really good-looking markets, trends out there for opportunities for those that know what they're looking for. I mean, Ethereum is down 6.24% again today, sort of mirroring what Bitcoin chart looks like in the sense that it has sort of come back down, and it is grinding away. Nice downtrend in place as well. It's just a bit unfortunate. We were stalking a couple of trades there across Ethereum, Bitcoin, and whatnot for a short. I know that some members are short from last week on the 16-hour time frame. I didn't take that trade. A few of you did, and well done. You're sailing away quite nicely there. But you know, you can see that there's a really nice downtrend across most of these markets. Bitcoin Cash just continues to slide. I mean, it is just falling at such a wonderful rate. The main thing that's frustrating me is it's not giving me an entry. I'm really hopeful to see it pull back just a wee bit so I can actually get a short on, because it looks like it's dying a very, very undignified death, just slowly grinding lower. EOS is in a very similar boat, actually. Since EOS broke down through that $5 mark, I had drawn in a consolidation for quite a period there between $5 and $6. We were hanging out in there. Since we broke that level, geez, it's just, I mean, we've halved. We've more than halved. We've gone from $5 to $2.23, and EOS really has no signs of strength at all. It is just falling. The sellers are on board. They are driving the price lower. Well, I shouldn't say the sellers are driving the price. Well, they are. And not the short sellers. I'm talking the people that are selling. Their EOS is driving the price lower. That is what is going on right now. When you consider that, well, we topped out at what, $23. We're now at $2.20. So we're it's a 10x to get back to where we were. But you know, this market's quite wild. It can do things very, very quickly. Cardano's in the same boat, grinding lower. No surprise there, down 7.76% today. Stellar Lumens holding on, just tapping onto the lows of the year. Again, down 9% today for Stellar Lumens, having a bit of a Barry Buckster, dropping again further. Neo down 7.55%, consolidating around those lows like much else in that marketplace. IOTA sitting around those lows as well, down a mere 6.79% today. And Ripple, probably the best performer of the top 10, only down 3.39. So Ripple holding its ground once again against the rest of the market. Litecoin down 5.4% as well. So across the board, we do have some bearish sentiment right there right now. I cannot see too much bullish cases to be built here right now for Bitcoin and the market as it stands. There's some great opportunities out there. We're seeing, you know, there's some big moves happening. You know, Wave has had a big move. We saw Binance have a big move recently, but it's not necessarily the big moves that I chase. I mean, I'd love to have them. I'm looking for good trading opportunities, and for those of you who've got your charts and know what a Bitcoin breakout is, probably not a bad idea to go and have a look at Ripple against Bitcoin. That's an opportunity that I really like to look over at the moment, and I just wanted to give you guys the heads up to that. So guys, I hope you have a fantastic day. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast if you haven't already, and make sure that you share it, guys. We love to hear new people, or get new people onto this program and hear us out, see what we do, the interviews and whatnot. There's a lot of good stuff there. So if you like it, please do share it across your groups. Please do let people know about it so that we can continue to help others learn about this space. Have a fantastic day. Bye for now.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.